Earlier this month, I posted the sales dashboard of one of the affiliate programs I promote, and I showed my lifetime commissions with the program. Of course, some people are going to not believe me. This guy did not, and honestly, I take that as a compliment. I even told him, hey, take that as a compliment. And then he said something nonsensical, but he is right for doubting me, and I want to show you why it's so easy for people to fake these types of screenshots. Didn't fake mine, but if I wanted to, I definitely could, and I want to show you why you should never trust anyone in the make money online space until you really get to know them. And there's a lot of things that you need to do to vet them beyond just looking at their sales screenshots, because you can edit them with just a couple of clicks. So let's get in my computer and I'll show you how to edit any dashboard. Now, I'm not showing you this so that you can go and do it. I'm just showing you so that you know how incredibly easy it is and why, unfortunately, a lot of people do get scammed. So let's go ahead and jump into my computer and I'll show you how to manipulate any of the major dashboards to make your sales look however big you want. All right, so let's start with the one that was in question. This is the affiliate dashboard area. I am going to block the affiliate and a couple other things because I don't want information shared on what my affiliate commission is, just in case it's more or less than other people. I don't want to start any drama there. Statistics, paid earnings is now $989,862.76. That's what it is. That's just what it is. I'll even refresh the page. Obviously, if you don't believe me, even after this, that's fine. I could still fake this, I suppose, if I wanted to. But if I wanted to actually fake it, what I would do is I would highlight the paid earnings. I would right click, come down to inspect. And then over here, this is where the number is. I could change that number to $69,420,808.69. And there you have it. But now the thing is that when I refresh the page, it's going to go away. But if I wanted to, I could go ahead and pop a screenshot and there I have it. Obviously, that's not going to change what I'm actually being paid. It just shows what's displayed on my device. But we can go further. This literally works on every single other platform. Let's go over to Linkmync, which is a very common platform. So let's go into my account and hide this stuff. Look away. All right, let's go over to one. Go over here to my Circle co-affiliates here, and I can do the exact same thing. If I just select this, right click, inspect element, there's that number, and let's go ahead and change that to so much money. I can literally put anything in there that I want. I can even put probably emojis, laughing about how easy this is. I press enter and there it is. You want to do another one? Let's do partner stack. This literally works on anything that lets you inspect the element. So it's not all of them, but it's most of them. So now you guys will be better prepared when you go out there and see what people say that they're earning. You can know to take it with a little bit of a grain of salt. Unfortunately, probably more of you are going to actually just go and do this and sell a crappy course or something, but I can't do anything about that. But here, let's say here I want to change this, inspect element, and look, there it is. I can take my $0 from this program to, I don't know, let's say a cool 100,000 even on the nose. Not too bad, but hey, I got to change this stuff. Got to make sure that it's not too sus. So I'll change the referred there. I'll make sure that that is like 1,000. All right, everybody. Hopefully that was entertaining. Sorry for the clickbait thumbnail. Hopefully you don't hate me for that. But I really wanted you to see this video because I wanted you to see how easy it is to actually fake these things, just so you know who to trust and who to follow, right? If they can't hit that refresh button and it doesn't change, don't trust it. So when you're seeing a sales page trying to sell you some big affiliate course, take it with a grain of salt. Most of them are probably legit, but just know that it is unfortunately easy to fake those. If you want to really learn about affiliate marketing, go check out my book, Evergreen Affiliate Marketing, on Amazon. It'll teach you most of what I know for under 20 bucks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.